Hi, it's Cheryl here, and I just wanted to tell you all what I learnt from doing Lindsay's 22-day free Instagram challenge. Being an artist, I always thought that I sold paintings, and although I knew that I sold emotions, I suppose with Lindsay's help, I realised that I was actually selling myself. And it was me that people were actually buying, and it was me who they wanted to follow. It was me who they wanted to see my adventures. They wanted to see what I was up to. And the end product, which was my art, was neither here or there for a lot of my customers. And the funny thing happened that we had an art exhibition down at the surf club. And this has never ever happened to me before, but a customer came up and said to his wife, well, which one of Cheryl's do you want? Because last time we missed out on one. And it wasn't even as if they bought a painting because they liked it, because it suited. They actually just wanted to buy one of my works. So I would just like to sort of say that was a huge learning point for me, and it was with Lindsay's help that I actually became aware that people were actually buying me and that they were actually happy and they wanted to come along on my adventure. So thanks, Lindsay, for giving me this mindset shift, and I'm looking forward to working with Lindsay, writing a book, and just exploring myself in the world as an artist a little bit more. So in the background you can see that I'm down here at Sydney. I'm at Circular Quay. There's this little ferry in the background, and there's the Opera House just there, and it's early morning here in Sydney. Bye for now.